So what are we working toward? What does it mean to resolve these global health and economic disparities, and what are our objectives in these communities? First, our in-country teams work alongside these partner communities to set the objectives that we set out to accomplish. Typically, it's around 3 areas of focus. The first is around access to health. This means that these families in the communities have access to medical and dental brigades at least 3 to 4 times a year. That means access to doctors, medicines, pharmacists. But more than that, it's supporting local government and local health infrastructure to improve their capacity to be able to provide healthcare year-round through our community health worker programs and also through our patient referral systems to be able to support and treat patients that have needs beyond the scope of what our medical brigades can accomplish. The second thing that we support these families with is public health and infrastructure in the homes. It's not enough to just provide medicine when nearly 70–80% of the families don't have access to clean water and have struggled with parasites and other waterborne illnesses. So as such, our engineering and water brigades teams, groups of volunteers, work to lay the foundations for full-scale clean water systems in each of the homes, and also develop sanitation systems to create a healthier living environment for each of the families that work in the communities. Lastly, we work to support the economic development in the communities, in which case our local teams work with local leaders to develop community-owned banks, that we work to capitalize them with money and help support the savings and loan operations within the family so that people can save and also have money to be able to invest in their businesses to grow their income for their families. All of the work that we do combines together what we call our holistic model. From that holistic model, from the strength of our in-country teams and the local committees that we set up to do work beyond each of the brigades that we do, we're ultimately able to exit these communities with our volunteers and maintain a relationship based on support and follow-up. All of the projects that Global Brigades has ever accomplished is because of groups of students mobilizing to take on huge projects and take on pieces of that huge project in order to get to its completion. It's based on your leadership and your effort of being involved in this organization that has led to more than 40,000 students over the last 10 years being involved in affecting the lives of more than 400,000 community members throughout Central America and West Africa. It is thanks to your leadership and work that we are here, and we are humbly here to support you as you embark on this great journey. Thank you for your time, and thank you for being a part of our movement.